Good evening, I'm 7 News meteorologist Greg Rule. Thanks for tuning in. We can take you a live look over the city of Denver. Just a pleasant mid-morning, early afternoon scenario. Blue skies and light winds. However, this will all start to change in the next 12 to 24 hours as we do have an approaching cold front encroaching on the state of Colorado. Current temperatures around the state pretty much right around 40 degrees statewide, 38 in Denver, 41 at Longmont as well as Fort Collins, 30s up in the higher elevations as we get up around 10,000 feet. Satellite and radar right now, we can see this large plume of moisture out to the eastern part of the state, and that is all due to a low pressure center that is just to the southern part of Colorado, enhancing some of this moisture, and this will start to make its way back into the city of Denver, eastern plains as well as the higher elevations starting tonight through the day on Tuesday, where we could see anywhere from a possible 4 to 8 inches of snowfall. So what's going on? We can see that we do have the center of low pressure just to the south of Colorado. This thing's going to race on out of here, zoom on out to the east coast, and it's going to tap into some of this Gulf of Moisture Mexico and give us an upslope event where the winds actually come from the east, hit the continental divide, rise, and then when air rises, it cools, condenses, and clouds form, and that's how we will get most of our precipitation from this storm due to the upslope event that we're going to have. Although it is a fast-moving storm, upper level support is really pushing this thing out of the way, so it will be a fast-punching storm. About 4 to 8 inches of snow on the eastern plains, possibly about 1 to 3, maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow for the Denver metro region, as well as higher accumulating amounts up in the higher elevations of the mountains. So we can put things into time lapse from Monday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon. We can see primarily the eastern plains just socked in with cloud cover and light to moderate snow showers, possibly around 2 to 4 inches of snow, or around 4 to 8 inches of snow on the eastern plains, right around 2 to 4 inches for the metro region, as well as locally heavier amounts up in the higher elevations. We do have current warnings and advisories out. In the eastern plains, we do have a winter storm warning, which means weather is imminent. It will occur within the next 12 to 24 hours. Winter weather advisories placed in the blue. Now, this pretty much denotes that we will have very hazardous driving conditions, low visibility, and very slippery and slick roads. So we will see some very hazardous driving conditions for the areas shaded in purple, but the pink is where we will see the bulk of the moisture. The eastern plains are really going to get slammed by this system with about 5 to 10 inches of snow. Now we can zoom in a little bit closer to the Front Range region and see where the alerts are and where they're not. We can see the Denver metro region really not in effect for any winter weather advisories or warnings at this time. Now that could change over the next 12 hours of the progression of the storm, but as of now, Denver is in a clear spot, possibly maybe 1 to 3 inches, but road conditions will definitely deteriorate as you push farther to the east. I-70 and I-25 will not be a very fun drive if you're heading east or down to the south. Current snowfall totals from the storm, possibly around 4 to 8 inches as you push farther east into the eastern plains. Right around the Denver metro region, we don't see that much impact of a storm, so it won't be a heavy accumulating storm for the metro region, possibly up to 1 to 3 inches of snow. But as we do push farther east, the snow will definitely start to accumulate, and hazardous conditions will definitely be around that time. Highs in the Front Range today, right around 40 degrees primarily, 40 for Denver, 42 for Longmont, 41 for Fort Collins, 43 on the eastern plains of Fort Morgan, and then 30s up in the higher elevations of the mountains. Today highs as well, pretty much 40s on the eastern plains for today, 42 for Burlington, 45 for Sterling, 44 out in the western slopes of Grand Junction. Today's planner, around 40 degrees will be our forecast high. We will see increasing clouds throughout the day as we do see the storm start to move in later on in the day. And we will see that chance of snow starting tonight into tomorrow morning. Tonight, overnight lows right around 18 degrees. It will be a very chilly morning commute drive tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies tonight into tomorrow morning with the possible another accumulating 2 to 4 inches of fresh white snow. And then your 7-day planner, Monday and Tuesday, look to see the wettest days of the week. Highs Monday, right around 40, 37 on Tuesday. That should be clearing out as the day does go on Tuesday, with high pressure building in, dominating midweek's weather. Wednesday, Thursday into Friday, sunshine and temperatures in the 40s to mid-50s. And then our next best chance for another weather maker will come next weekend, where we do see another cold front on the approach. Thanks for watching. I'm 7 News meteorologist Greg Rule, and have a lovely day.